morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. I hope that you have completed your previous chapter 1 and 2. Today, I shall discuss with you new chapter 3, squares and square root, squares and square roots of class 8. Dear students, first term is a square. A square. A square of a number. The square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. The square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. So, example, the square of x equal to x into x equal to x square. Again, example, 1 square equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 square 2 into 2 equal to 4. 3 square 3 into 3 equal to 9. 4 square 4 into 4 equal to 16. 5 square 5 into 5 equal to 25, and so on. 30 square 30 into 30 equal to 900. Dear students, you write and remember a square of number 1 to 30. Write it. Next term is perfect square or a square number. Next term is perfect square. Perfect square. Or next term is perfect square or a perfect square number. The natural number a natural number is called perfect square or a square number. if it is the square of some natural number. A natural number is called the perfect square of a square number if it is the square of some natural number. Example: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and so on. It is perfect square number. One important reason the perfect square number is expressible, or a perfect square number expressed in the form of the product of prime factors. So, one question: example 1 is 196 is a perfect square number. So first find one prime factor of 196. 196 divisible by 2, 2 9 ja 18, 1, 2 8 ja, again 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 7, 7 ja. So 196 equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Pair equal to 2 square into 7 square. Again find the house number. 96 is a square. So 96 equal to 2 square into 7 square equal to 2 into 7 square equal to 14 square. Answer. Right. My dear students, continue chapter 3, squares and square roots. Exercise 3A of R.S. Agarwal book. Example 4. By what least number should be 3675 be multiplied to get a perfect square number? Find the square number. First of all, we have to find prime factors of 3675. So find here 3675. 3 times. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 5 ja. Now 5 to 7 to 9 1 10. So 5 times. 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, 2 22, 5 4 ja 20, 2 5, 5 5 ja. Again 5 times. 5 4 ja 20, 4 5, 5 9 जा. Now 7 times 7 7 जा 49. So 3675 equal to 3 into 5 into 5, 5 square, and 7 into 7, 7 square. Here only 3 prime number is not in a pair. So to make a pair, it will have to multiply by 3. So the least number, therefore least number equal to 3. Answer. Next, the square number multiplied by 3. So 3675 multiply by 3. Multiply it. 5 3 जा 15 और 5. 7 3 जा 21 plus 1 22. 6 3 जा 18 to 20. 3 3 जा 9 to 11. Answer. Dear students, your homework is solve exercise 3A. Thank you. That's all.